What if the real reason your marketing feels like a money pit isn't the clicks or the algorithms, but the lack of clarity? Right now, you post and you tweak and you boost. You try trend after trend, yet the right people keep scrolling. That isn't a tactics issue. It's a brand positioning issue. The truth is, an unclear brand can't stand out no matter how many tactics you try. I'm Susan Friesen, a small business brand positioning strategist, and for over 22 years, I've helped service-based owners just like you stop guessing and start growing. I've packed my proven brand positioning process into my No More Wasted Marketing workbook so you can do it yourself and follow the process at your own pace. And no, this is not another theory book. It's packed with hands-on exercises that reveal your unique edge. There's quick tips and checklists to keep you moving and motivated. There's curated resources so you can dive deeper into each phase if you want. I've also included ChatGPT-ready AI prompts to shorten your learning curve and help you along. There's also real-world case studies that show the method in action. Inside this comprehensive guide, you'll walk step by step through 5 clear phases. Phase 1 is foundational clarity, where you will lock in on who you are and whom you serve. Phase 2 is strategic positioning, so you can claim the space only you can own. Phase 3 is communication strategy. See how to craft words that spark "you get me." Phase 4 is visual identity, where you will want to look like the expert that you are. And Phase 5 is content strategy, so you can show up with purpose without the panic. Simply complete one exercise at a time where each piece locks into the next. Think of it as a GPS for your brand. And because every owner learns differently, you can pick the path what works best for you from 3 different options. Option 1 is the DIY Clarity Kit, where you move at your own pace with the PDF workbook. Plus, there's 2 brand voice guides for you. Option 2 is the Brand Clarity VIP, where you get 2 private sessions with me where I'll guide you through areas where you need the most help with. And option 3 is the Brand Accelerator Intensive, where you'll get 4 weekly strategy calls with me, plus a full web and social audit and a custom 1-page brand playbook and 30 days of email access. Picture yourself waking up feeling certain about the clients you attract, about the fees that you charge, and the message that positions you as the obvious choice. Or you can keep running on a hamster wheel with random marketing attempts while competing in price wars with your competitors. You deserve a brand that works as hard as you do. So, are you ready to swap random tactics with magnetic results? Scroll down and choose the support level that fits your goals. And let's turn wasted marketing into momentum that fills your calendar with perfect fit clients. I'll see you on the inside.